the Land Rover, a name synonymous with adventure, exploration, and conquering any terrain imaginable.
Alright, I know what you're thinking. Land Rover? Isn't that the kind of car that tackles a Starbucks drive-thru? Yes, that's right. You might spot these legendary beasts parked proudly in Whole Foods parking lots. Their rugged exteriors gleaming under the suburban sun as their owners stock up on quinoa and Beyond Chicken. Truly a multi-purpose vehicle. Over the decades, Land Rover has become a legend. It's climbed mountains, crossed deserts, navigated uncharted territories, and held many Stanley Cups in its cup holders. More importantly, it's captured the hearts of explorers, adventurers, and urbanites around the world. The brand hasn't forgotten its roots. Every Land Rover, from the iconic Defender to the luxurious Range Rover, carries the legacy of the original models. It's a unique blend of capability and composure, a marriage of ruggedness and refinement. Land Rover isn't just a car. It's a badge of honor, that status symbol that communicates to fellow drivers. I'm that guy. I got that cheddar. It's a statement that says you're ready to take on the world in style and comfort, no matter where the road or lack thereof may lead. The iconic lineup, which includes the Range Rover, Discovery, and the GOAT, Land Rover Defender. But there's a harsh reality with these Land Rovers. They got 99 problems, and reliability is one of them. If you want to learn more about Land Rover problems and the cost to own one, or explore your options for a damaged Land Rover, be sure to visit CarBrain.com or click the link in the description. CarBrain buys damaged cars. If you own a Land Rover, you're probably loaded, but we'll give you easy cash for it. Who doesn't want more cash? Let's be honest, owning a Land Rover is a unique experience. And yes, it also comes with its own set of quirks. We're not here to sugarcoat it. The complexity of these incredible machines translates into some realities when it comes to maintenance and repairs. Land Rover Range Rovers, for example, score a 2 out of 5 on the Repair Pal reliability scale. Now that might not sound great, but here's the thing, compared to other luxury full-size SUVs, it actually places them right in the middle of the pack. The average yearly maintenance cost for a Range Rover sits around $1,258. Let's face it, keeping these complex beauties running smoothly does require some investment. Warren Buffett type investment. But hey, the off-road experience and luxurious comfort come at a price, right? Here's another interesting stat. Statistically, you can expect to bring your Range Rover into the shop for repairs about 0.6 times a year. That's slightly more often than the average luxury SUV, but still less frequent than most cars on the road. Now the good news, and the bad news depending how you look at it, is that when repairs are needed, there's a 19% chance they'll be considered made. Again, this aligns with the complexity of these vehicles. But the upside, this is on par with other luxury SUVs, so it's not entirely unexpected. The key takeaway here is owning a Land Rover is a unique experience, and that extends to maintenance and repairs. We've discussed the pros and cons of Land Rover ownership, including unexpected costs. But what if there's a way to turn that financial burden into an opportunity? Enter CarBrain. We understand that unexpected expenses can arise, and sometimes it might be time to part ways with your beloved Land Rover. CarBrain offers a hassle-free solution to get cash for your car, even if it's damaged or no longer running. By choosing CarBrain, you can offset some of those unexpected costs.
Thank you for thinking CarBrain. Subscribe to our CarBrain YouTube channel to stay up to date on more car videos. And remember, we buy it all.